Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best patio umbrellas in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 11. Le Papillon 15-foot Market Outdoor Umbrella. You'll be able to cover a huge area with the Le Papillon Market Outdoor Umbrella, which is a whopping 15 feet long. This unique product looks like 3 standard umbrellas were merged together, and its extra-long design is ideal for providing shade over a long outdoor dining table. The canopy is controlled by a standard crank, and there are 3 vents along the top of the umbrella to allow improved airflow and increase its stability in the wind. Given its large size, it makes sense that the Le Papillon umbrella is mounted on an oversized pole with a 1.89-inch diameter. The umbrella also requires a special base, which you'll have to buy separately. Number 10. Pure Garden 10-foot Patio Umbrella. Patio umbrellas can get pricey, but the Pure Garden aluminum umbrella is a great value, especially considering its size. Its round polyester canopy is a whopping 10 feet in diameter, allowing you to easily cast shade over a table or seating area. The umbrella is mounted on a powder-coated aluminum pole that's 1.5 inches in diameter, and the best part is that the canopy can be tilted to help you stay in the shade. This patio umbrella comes in a range of bright colors to suit your style, and the top of the canopy is vented for better airflow and wind resistance. A crank handle can be used to raise and lower the canopy, and despite its reasonable price, the Pure Garden patio umbrella is well built and attractive, making it an ideal option for any outdoor space. Our tester noted this a great option for those looking for a simple and affordable umbrella. Number 9. ABBA Patio 9 feet Outdoor Market Umbrella with push-button tilt and crank. Whether you're hoping to cover your pool lounge chair or outdoor dining table, the ABBA Patio 9-foot umbrella has you covered, literally. This umbrella has a 9-foot circular canopy made from durable polyester fabric, and it's mounted on an iron pole that's 1.5 inches in diameter and features a crank system and push-button tilt, allowing you to quickly adjust the angle of the umbrella to best block the sun. The ABBA umbrella is available in several pretty colors, and its canopy is UV-, water-, and fade-resistant for long-lasting durability. It's supported by 8 steel ribs that keep it steady, even on breezier days, and there's a vent at the top of the umbrella to allow airflow. When the umbrella is closed, you can use the sewn-in Velcro straps to secure it shut. Number 8. Safevi PAT 8009E Collection Can White 9-foot Wooden Outdoor Umbrella. Serene and amp, soothing. Arizona's most revered spa retreat inspired the timeless style of this 9-foot wooden umbrella. Designed to blend seamlessly into any tasteful decor, its neutral white hue makes it an investment for a healthy outdoor lifestyle. Number 7. Yuhina's 9-foot. Of all the products we tested, we were least impressed by the Yuhina's patio umbrella, although we do like some of its qualities. It does tilt nicely, blocking early morning or late evening sun from blasting your patio seat. The fabric also gets pleasantly taut when fully raised, so it doesn't ruffle in the wind. We found the durability to be lacking on the Yuhina's, though. The top cap easily cracked when we were setting it up on the ground before dropping it into the base. While this doesn't affect its functionality, we didn't have this issue with any of the other umbrellas, including those with solar panel caps. We also didn't love the white fabric, as it's still quite bright under the umbrella. We recommend considering a different color of fabric for darker shade. If you're looking for a patio umbrella, we think there are better options. Number 6. ABBA Patio 7.5 foot. The ABBA Patio Outdoor Umbrella is the smallest, simplest umbrella we tested. It doesn't have any adjustment beyond opening and closing the shade, but having fewer moving parts is traditionally a good thing from a durability standpoint. In fact, durability is where this shade shines. The ends of the umbrella are fastened to the ribs with grommets and screws rather than each rib fitting into a fabric pocket. This makes the fabric less likely to rip in a windstorm or for a rib to poke through if knocked over. We think that's a nifty design to make the umbrella a little more solid. We do wish it was more adjustable, though. Because the shade is so small at 7.5 feet in diameter, more adjustability would help compensate for the smaller shade size. We could see this working well in a small space, like a townhouse backyard or an apartment balcony. It's efficiently sized and economically priced. Number 5. WikiWiki Offset 10-foot Cantilever. The WikiWiki Offset Cantilever umbrella just barely got beat out for one of the top spots. We really like how dark the shade is, as it doesn't reflect light from the ground in addition to blocking out the direct sun. We like the cantilever aesthetic quite a bit, and we think it looks good no matter where it is. It only got beat out for the top spot because we don't find operating the umbrella to be as smooth as we expect for its price. It's a touch jerky when sliding it up or down to deploy the shade. The shade also wobbled a bit more than the highest scoring umbrella in a breeze, which was not ideal, especially if you were at the edge of the shadow below. It's a fine option, however, and it performs well for most applications. Number 4. Pure Garden Cantilever Hanging Shade. The Pure Garden Cantilever Hanging Shade is similar to the other offset cantilever umbrellas, but significantly more affordable. The setup is easy, the base pieces bolt to each other, and then the poles slide together. At 30 pounds, the Pure Garden umbrella is also a little lighter than the other two cantilever umbrellas, making it somewhat easier to move. With cross-base umbrellas, you can either weigh them down with specific umbrella bases or with sandbags if you're looking to go with the most affordable option. Our one major gripe with the Pure Garden is that the collar doesn't slide smoothly up and down the pole. The weight of the umbrella arm ever so slightly warps it, so it is kind of jerky when sliding up and down. We noticed that this umbrella wobbles a bit more in the wind, as the top of the shade doesn't seat as nicely to the overhead arm as well as the other cantilevers. It is a nice patio shade, though, and we think it's an excellent option for those looking to add shade options on a budget. Number 3. Sunnyglade 9-foot. The Sunnyglade 9-foot patio umbrella is a solid, simple market-style shade meant to go into a post base and through a patio table. The tilt function, featured on several models of this umbrella style, is nice and tilts to a maximum of 35 degrees. The bell cap and blue and white fabric we chose give the Sunnyglade a fun beach vibe as well. Moreover, it's one of the least expensive options we tested, while still providing a ton of coverage. We do think there are a few things that could be improved on this product, however. When retracted, the umbrella blocks the crank to raise it, which isn't ideal. The white parts of fabric block direct sunlight, but they do let through enough light that it's still nice to have sunglasses on underneath it, especially if we were reading. This can be remedied, though, by selecting a different color for the shade fabric. For an affordable patio umbrella, the Sunnyglade is a good, inexpensive option. Number 2. Best Choice Products 10-foot Solar LED. Our top choice for a market-style umbrella is the Best Choice Products Solar LED umbrella. It has an extra-large 10-foot shade and 40-degree side-to-side tilt, which is the most range of tilt out of all the umbrellas we tested, allowing you to keep the shade in the correct spot throughout the day as the sun moves. The umbrella ribs feature small LED lights running across them, creating a nice transition from daytime sun to evening patio ambience lighting. It fits into our universal market base well, and the thicker pole means it doesn't wobble as much in moderate wind, despite not having a table to support it. The LEDs add ambience but not a ton of light, and we'd prefer them to be a bit brighter. Also, like all of the tilting market-style umbrellas, it tends to spin away from anything but the lightest wind unless you really crank down the knob on the base. The top vents seem a bit small to help much with wind resistance, but they might help prevent excess hot air from building up. Also, while we love the size of the umbrella, the top half of the pole isn't really proportional to the shade size, so when the shade is down, it covers the crank handle. Overall, though, we really like this umbrella for market-style shades. It works great with or without a table. Number 1. Bleu 10-foot Offset. The Bleu Cantilever umbrella is hands down our favorite patio umbrella. The stylish cantilever design is very appealing, but we like its practical attributes as well because it provides a wide area of uninterrupted shade when in use. Despite being a heavyweight design, the Bleu umbrella opens smoothly and easily. The 10-foot breadth of shade it offers provides a refreshing area to relax on a hot day. Even though the cantilever-style umbrellas usually weigh more, Moving them isn't really that much more difficult because the base dismantles into 4 parts instead of just one big piece. One downside to this model is that it got a bit wobbly in some moderate winds, but that's the only complaint we had with its performance. All told, this is a great choice for a patio shade, and we think it will hold up well if cared for properly.